Get another trip over here. Wow. It's all happening. Pretty sick, eh? There's so much going on with it. Alright, just walking through the chasm. This looks like a good drop actually. Little coconut sprouted right below it. Here we are, behind the flow. Phew. Toyo Bulan, our next waterfall. I think we're up to 18 or something now. This is the new one. It's not even on Google or Gaia as well. But we saw a sign, so here we are. Parking area. Christo, what is this weird thing on the sign?
It's called barong.
Barong?
Yes.
What is barong?
Barong, I don't know, that's a Balinese word.
Okay.
Yeah, that's barong.
Huh. I'm just going to go over here because I can hear the water. So let's see if this is going to be it. Oh, it's just flowing.
Can we see the waterfall?
No, it's just only the water. Okay, eat, swim, waterfall. Air Terjun. I don't know what is to the right, but we go to the left. Cool. Beautiful blue sky. Look at this. Not even one cloud, people. Having no rain days. I'm loving it. Take this weather to the perfectness. Now, I'm assuming we go down. I don't know what the top path is, but so a concrete path here. That was at 25,000, so $2.50. I don't think no one's here. There's no cars. Success, I reckon. No worries. Had a snake or a what you call skink running away. If you want to have a sleep under the thatched roof, you can. Welcome to nature. Alright, I don't know how long this is, but it doesn't seem like it'd be far. Nothing is ever far here. No one's in Bali. Wants to make long tracks. I think I can see a bit of water already. Bit of a wet dribbling wall there, as usual. Oh, look at that. It's almost like a little cave chasm on the side. That's cool. Interesting. Wow, bit of garbage in there, but that's alright. It's a trib. Okay. Bamboo, dodgy railing. Old twine. Looks like old garbage bags there. River pool toilet waterfall. I don't know what river pool is, but oh wow, that waterfall is pretty cool. And a trib. Yeah, so there's some shoes down here. That's interesting. I don't know where the people are. If they walk here. Look at these fish. Boy, wow, they're amazing. Look at this hidden cave thing with the statue. That is wild. Wow. Some crazy stuff, hey? I don't know what that means, but you can translate it. Someone in comments can translate for me, thanks. These fish are awesome. Dude. Well, that's cool with the sign over here. How cool is that? Get another trip over here. Wow. It's all happening. Little coconut sprouted right below it. It's pretty cool. Alright, just walking through the chasm. This looks like a good drop actually. We saw a really quick photo of it, but I didn't really see it properly on the side of the sign. But wow, it's quite open here. It's kind of cool. I've done like 4 waterfalls all within a friggin' 1 kilometre radius. All their own little entities. Wow, that's just a tributary. Or was that the main thing? I don't know. Some stairs going up there, I don't know what they are. I don't know where the creek keeps going. There's a pool there, they've made a man-made. There's another trib dropping in. What? This is awesome. No people here again. Picked it, Mark. This is well worth it. It's funny how everyone goes to the same freaking things. I've found a few now that I'm lucky no one's at. It's a bit glary, but swimming pool. That's actually sick. I like it. Yeah. We'll swap there in a second. Here we are, behind the flow. Phew! It's like a little, really, they're just tribs dropping in, eh? That's the main falls, obviously. Oh, it's just freaking exciting, but unless that's been diverted. There's got a bit of man-made rock there or whatever. Yeah. Wow. Pretty sick, eh? There's so much going on with it. So much water streams. I'm loving it. Well, can't argue that flow here, that's for sure. I guess when you're going to sit in the creek, they know you're going to try and charge for it, it's got to flow, so otherwise it looks bad for tourism. I think there's nothing to the track there really, so don't bother. Wow. Sick. Walking back through. Old mate was like, "You're not going to swim?" I'm like, "Mate, not right now, because you got a schedule, got to keep pumping on all the waterfalls." It's been a whole day swimming at one. Well, I wouldn't say much. Another adventure for another time. Just had a look at the lower little level of that first trip, but nothing exciting. Alright, up and out the stairs. Hope you enjoyed the journey. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already, so you get notified of all the new misadventures. Catch you guys in the next one, eh? Peace out.
Means that Toyo means that water, but in Google Map, the name is Yeh Bulan Waterfall.
Yeah, okay.
Yeh and Toyo same meaning, water.
That's why, because I had it marked as Yeh Bulan.
Yeah.
Makes sense now.
But Toyo, he said that that's the polite one.
The polite one?
Yeah, I mean,
okay.
the polite word.
Better than yeah.
Better than yeah.
They both mean water, but one's more polite.
More smooth. How would I say it?
So wait, what does Bulan mean again?
Bulan means moon.
Moon. So it means Watermoon Falls, people. Cool.